Welcome to the ultimate foldable showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 and the Huawei Mate X6, two titans of the foldable phone world. The Z Fold7 boasts a massive 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a blazing 120Hz refresh rate and an ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Meanwhile, the Mate X6 counters with a slightly smaller but sharper 7.93-inch LTPO OLED panel and the efficient Kirin 9020 chipset. Which one has the superior screen size and resolution? How do their cameras stack up with Samsung's staggering 200MP main sensor versus Huawei's versatile 50MP setup? What about battery life, build quality, and price? And here's the kicker. Is the Galaxy Z Fold7's cutting-edge design really worth the premium over the Mate X6's innovative stylus support and vegan leather finish? Let's break it down category by category and settle the debate once and for all. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 offers a slightly larger 8.0-inch main display compared to the Mate X6's 7.93 inches, giving you a bit more screen real estate for multitasking and media consumption, a crucial edge for productivity lovers. Samsung's 200MP wide camera stands out as the most important feature here, delivering incredible detail and clarity unmatched by Huawei's 50MP sensor, making it a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts. The Galaxy Z Fold7's octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite with blazing 4.47 GHz cores outperforms the Mate X6's Kirin 9020 setup, ensuring smoother performance and better handling of demanding apps. Huawei Mate X6 takes the lead with a higher resolution of 2240 by 2440 pixels and 418 ppi density, meaning sharper visuals and crisper text, ideal for users who prioritize display clarity. Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process, offers more power efficiency and raw performance compared to Huawei's 5nm Kirin 9020, making it the superior chipset for future-proofing. Huawei Mate X6's larger 5110 mAh battery gives it a clear advantage in endurance, promising longer usage between charges compared to the Galaxy Z Fold7's 4400 mAh. The Galaxy Z Fold7's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with 2600 nits peak brightness beats the Mate X6's 1800 nits, ensuring better visibility even under direct sunlight. Samsung's 10p ultra-wide front camera edges out Huawei's 8-megapixel shooter, offering wider framing and sharper selfies, perfect for group shots and video calls. Huawei Mate X6 impresses with IPX8 water resistance and stylus support on both displays, adding versatility and durability beyond what the Galaxy Z48 rating and aluminum frame offer. Samsung includes a titanium plate layer for extra display support and a high-brightness 6.5-inch cover display protected by Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, enhancing durability and usability on the go. Both offer similar memory options, but Huawei provides a 16GB RAM variant with up to 1 TB storage, matching Samsung but giving users more flexibility in RAM configurations. Samsung's ability to shoot 8K video at 30 FPS is the standout feature here, delivering ultra-high-definition video that the Mate X6's 4K Max simply can't match. Huawei Mate X6 is priced more aggressively at $1,800 compared to the Galaxy Z Fold7's $1,999, making it a more budget-conscious option without sacrificing key features.